So the ISAPS Fellowship with Dr. Ahmed Said was truly an amazing experience. My name is Dr. Hamza Tazi. I am a senior resident in Casablanca, Morocco, and I'm here to share my experience in this fellowship. So, starting this fellowship, you get to know Dr. Said. He's really passionate about transmitting what he knows, his knowledge, and helping the future plastic surgeons get a better approach of aesthetic surgery. What you get to see with him is really the exquisiteness of this specialty and how far it really gets. He really gives 100% to every single patient, and it's something that I actually incorporate now in my ways of practicing. In a practical way, what I also really learned would be the deep plane facelift, which is something I'm really passionate about. He really taught me how to do the skin flap undermining, the smash flap undermining, how to stay away from the nerves, where the nerves are located. I really think as a resident, it's an incredible experience to be able to really have hands-on experience on the deep plane facelift. I was also able to get hands-on experience on the transconjunctival lower blepharoplasty, endoscopic brow lift, and as you know, Dr. Said is also well known for HD lipo, so I also got to see a lot of HD lipo and really get a better idea of what is HD lipo, since I mostly did traditional liposuction. All in all, it was really an incredible experience because I feel like my aesthetic surgery in particular really took a big leap forward in the beautiful city of Barcelona. And I was also able to actually learn Spanish in the operating room. So it was a perfect learning experience. So, thank you very much, Dr. Ahmed Said, and see you in the next ISAPS meeting.